Imagine your body as a nation under constant threat. Microscopic invaders like bacteria and viruses try to breach your borders every day. Luckily, you have a powerful defense force, your immune system. For nursing students, understanding this intricate system is crucial. You will be on the front lines, helping patients fight infections and stay healthy. This video will explore the immune system using a military analogy, breaking down its complex functions into easy-to-understand concepts. At the heart of our defense system lies the bone marrow, a spongy tissue found inside bones. This is our staffing headquarters, the command center, and recruitment hub of the immune system. Here, stem cells, like raw recruits, are trained and specialized into different types of blood cells. These cells are the soldiers of our immune system, each with unique roles to play. Some become red blood cells, carrying oxygen throughout the body like supply trucks. Others become white blood cells, the foot soldiers of our immune system, ready to defend against invaders. Without this crucial bone base, our defenses would crumble. No new recruits would be trained, and our body would be left vulnerable to attack. Once our troops are trained, they need a way to move around the body and reach the front lines. This is where the circulatory and lymphatic systems come in, acting like a network of highways and outposts across the nation. The circulatory system, with its network of blood vessels, acts like a complex system of highways transporting oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells throughout the body. The lymphatic system, a parallel network of vessels and nodes, acts like a series of outposts and patrols. Lymph nodes, small bean-shaped organs, act as checkpoints along these routes. Here, immune cells gather to exchange information about potential threats and prepare for battle. Two lines of defense: homeland defense and the special forces. Our immune system has two main branches, each with its own strengths and strategies. The first line of defense is innate immunity, our homeland defense. This branch is always on high alert, ready to respond immediately to any threat. Innate immunity is non-specific, meaning it doesn't target specific invaders. Instead, it relies on general defenses like physical barriers such as skin, chemical weapons like stomach acid, and cellular soldiers like phagocytes that engulf and destroy invaders. The second branch is adaptive immunity, our special forces. This branch is slower to respond but is much more specialized. Adaptive immunity targets specific invaders with precision using specialized cells like T cells and B cells. Adaptive immunity also has a remarkable ability, a memory. Once it encounters an invader, it creates a memory of it, allowing for a faster and more effective response upon subsequent encounters. Cellular soldiers, meeting the enemy head-on. Within our immune system, various types of cells act as our brave soldiers, each with a specific role to play. Phagocytes are our field intelligence and logistics support units. They are responsible for general surveillance, intelligence capture, and battlefield clearing. Macrophages, a type of phagocyte, patrol the body, engulfing and destroying invaders like bacteria and cellular debris. Another type, dendritic cells, act as messengers, gathering information about invaders and presenting it to other immune cells. Lymphocytes, another group of white blood cells, are our combat units. B cells, for example, produce antibodies, specialized proteins that target and neutralize specific invaders. T cells, on the other hand, are our field commanders and elite combat teams. They mature and train in the thymus, our Special Forces Training Academy. Helper T cells, or CD4 plus T cells, act as the central high command. Their power comes entirely from their ability to receive, process, and issue orders. Helper T cells are the brain of strategic operations. They receive critical intelligence briefings, analyze the threat, and issue comprehensive strategic orders. These orders mobilize the B cell armories, activate the cytotoxic T cell elimination squads, and direct the macrophages. The strength and number of these commanders are paramount to effective operations. Natural killer cells, as their name suggests, are our elite assassins, targeting and destroying infected cells and cancer cells. These cellular soldiers work together, coordinating their efforts to neutralize threats and keep our bodies safe. A system under siege. When the enemy attacks the command center, unfortunately our immune system isn't invincible. Certain viruses, like HIV, have developed strategies to evade and even cripple our defenses. HIV, the virus that causes AIDS, specifically targets and destroys helper T cells, crucial commanders in our adaptive immune response. Without enough helper T cells, our immune system is severely weakened, leaving us vulnerable to a wide range of opportunistic infections and diseases. It's like losing the generals in our army, disrupting communication and coordination among our troops. This is why HIV is such a serious condition, requiring lifelong treatment and management. It highlights the importance of a healthy and robust immune system in protecting us from disease. Conclusion: a powerful defense force. Just like a well-trained and well-equipped military, our immune system is a powerful force, constantly defending us from a barrage of microscopic enemies. Understanding its intricate workings is crucial, especially for nursing students who will play a vital role in supporting and strengthening their patients' defenses. By understanding the roles of the bone marrow, the circulatory and lymphatic systems, and the different types of immune cells, you will be better equipped to care for patients facing various health challenges. Remember, a healthy immune system is the foundation of a healthy life.